On the 9th of February 2024, Tezos successfully activated its 15th upgrade, Oxford 2. In addition to many small improvements, Oxford 2 comes with 3 notable changes: private smart rollups, refinements to the Tezos proof of stake, and the return of Timelocks. In this video, we'll take a look at each of these changes and explain what they mean for the future of Tezos. The first big improvement is the introduction of private smart rollups. This feature gives developers the ability to deploy private smart rollups in addition to the existing public type. Unlike public smart rollups, private rollups ensure that no one, except for a group of whitelisted operators, has visibility over the rollups data. Private rollups are particularly useful for use cases that require user data to remain private, like between a consortium of banks working on auditable settlements. The flexibility to control who can see and access rollup data is a big step towards enabling new use cases on Tezos. The second big change is a refinement of Tezos proof of stake. Oxford 2 brings changes to slashing and introduces an automated staking mechanism for bakers. On the slashing side, the new penalty for double baking, that is the double signing of blocks, is set to 5% of the baker's stake, instead of the previous 640 Tez fixed value. As for the auto-staking mechanism, the idea is to provide a smoother management of stake funds and help avoid over-delegation. These refinements ensure that bakers have an ever better user experience. Finally, Timelocks are re-enabled on Tezos. Timelocks are back. The Michelson instructions that provide support for cryptographic timelocks have been re-enabled in Oxford 2. Timelocks enable developers to store data in smart contracts that aren't publicly available until after a preset time, after which they can be decrypted. Timelocks were disabled in the Lima upgrade after a security flaw was discovered at the application level. Before being reactivated, the Timelock feature was redesigned, improved, tested, and audited by security experts at Inference AG. Timelocks are valuable when building things like decentralized exchanges on Tezos, as they can be used to reduce the risk of MEV or other so-called front-running attacks. There you have it, another smooth update, another step forward in the evolution of Tezos. 2024 promises big things ahead. A big shout out to the community and the hard work of every team and person that make Tezos what it is. Welcome to Oxford 2, and until next time!